How to fix multi-snap not showing on Snapchat. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. So if you're not being able to see the option of multi-snap once you open up your camera, then here is what you can do to fix it. First of all, make sure that your application is updated. For that, head over to your Play Store and then simply type in Snapchat. If your application shows update, you have to tap on update and update your app. Now, once done, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, then here tap on apps. Here again, search for Snapchat. Type in Snapchat, then enter. At this app info page, tap on storage and let's go ahead and clear the cache. Once done, if you remember your credentials, you may also go ahead and clear the data. Come back onto app info page, tap on force stop, then OK. Once you do all this, you have to restart your device and then get logged into your Snapchat account again, and this shall definitely fix your problem. That is all for today guys, and thank you for watching.